Welcome back. This is another reading from Taking's Guide to Japanese, which you can find at guidetojapanese.org. Today we'll be looking at classifying verbs into ru verbs and u verbs. Before we can learn any verb conjugations, we first need to learn how verbs are categorized. With the exception of only two exception verbs, all verbs fall into the category of ru verb and u verb. All ru verbs end in ru, while u verbs can end in any number of u vowel sounds, which includes ru. So any number of u vowel sounds including ru. Therefore, if a verb does not end in ru, it will always be a u verb. For verbs ending in ru, if the vowel sound preceding the ru is a, u, or o, u, or o vowel sound, it will always be a u verb. Otherwise, if the preceding sound is I or E, it will be a ru verb in most cases. There's a list of common exceptions which I'll go over in another video. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. Taberu. Oops, that's the wrong stroke order. Taberu. And because this is a ru, it can either be a ru verb or a u verb, but we've got this be here, and with that is a e vowel sound, so it is classified as a ru verb. Okay, and this is to eat, by the way. Wakaru, which means to understand, I understand you. That ends in a ru, so it means it can be a ru verb or it can be a u verb. But because of this character, which is ka, with a vowel sound of a, it makes it a u verb. Okay, let's look at a few other examples. Okay, this is miru. This ends with an I, this mi, the vowel sound, so that makes it a ru verb. We've got, oops, sorry about that, let's start again. This is anasu. There's no problems here, this is just su, so that's a u verb. Let's go through some more simple examples. Kiku. Oops, don't want that. That's ku, so that's a u verb. What else do we have? This is oyogu, which means to swim. Again, this is a, sorry, this is a, I'm trying to put a 10-10 there, which doesn't belong there. This is a gu, sorry, this is ku, so it's just a U verb. One more simple example. Matsu, which is to wait. Again, no problems there. To you, that's a U verb. Okay, kangaeru. Think about this. Kangaeru. Okay, this is a e sound, so that makes it a ru verb. We've also got deru. This is a de with an, again, it's de, so an e vowel sound, so that's a ru verb. And the last one I'll show you today is kiru, which means to wear, and this is a ki sound, which makes it a ru verb. Okay, let's look at some example sentences using ru verbs, u verbs, and exception verbs. But I'll just show you those exceptions first, which I meant to do. So we've got suru, which means to do, and kiru, sorry, that's wrong, kuru, which means to come. Okay, so these are exceptions. They're neither ru nor u verbs. Okay, let's go into the sentences. This is Alice wa taberu. As for Alice, eat. Okay, this is Jimu ga kuru. Jim is the one that comes. Kuru. Bob mo suru. Bob also do. And okane ga aru. There is money. Watashi wa kau. As for me, buy. And this is, there is a cat. Neko wa iru. Okay, I'll leave it there for now. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you guys next time.